Greetings. How you doing?
Hey, Nick. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Joe.
And what's the name of the act, Joe?
The Birdman.
And who is this?
This is
lovely
Tika.
Tika. Hello.
My name is Joe. I'm known as the Birdman, and I train all kinds of birds to do all kinds of cool and crazy things.
What exactly are you going to do out there on that stage?
She is going to talk and sing us a couple songs. In all my years of working around birds, Tika takes the cake. She has one of the largest vocabularies of any parrot I've ever met. She says hundreds and hundreds of things. If I go to the kitchen sink, she'll ask me if I want some water. Ready? And Tika is a diva, and she gets very pampered.
Surf and burn.
I believe Tika was meant to be a performer. Tonight, I plan to show America a talking bird like they have never seen before.
Ready, Tika? Go get him, Tika. Have fun out there, Birdman.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Hi, I'm Joe the Birdman.
Hi, Joe the Birdman. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you. Hey.
Hi.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been actually training birds for 38 years.
Who is this?
This is Tika. Tika is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot from Central America, and I rescued her a year ago, and she is just phenomenal. She's the best talking parrot I've ever met. When we pull up to drive-thru, she tries to order.
Really?
Yeah.
How great is that? So go ahead, do your act.
All right. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Are you happy?
Are you happy, buddy?
Yes, everybody is happy. You want to play some games? How about this one?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, there you go. Here's another game. Ready? Now, when I touch her, it changes to...
What you do?
There you go. Now, Tika actually sings several songs. We're going to start with this song. You ready? Here we go, Tika.
How does this song
Sing it.
go?
Hush.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
There you go. One more.
That's great.
Let's try this one. Sing it.
Sing it. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God!
Let's vote.
Yes.
Yes.
No beat.
Lovely girl.
Let's see you again. Yes. Let's see you again.